Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved all this week and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside which I have already explained in my every videos. Okay, and after pandemic what it does, that it is creating a pattern. Okay, it forms a swing, that is where it is going upside, and this was the sixth time we have seen there is a continuous high and after that there is a fall. Okay, this pattern is being repeated till the time it is not crossing a level of $3, we will not see a further upside movement. Okay, or till the time it is not crossing a level of $2, we will not see a further downfall. This is a day wise chart I'm showing you. Let's see a 15-minute chart where you will see a clear picture. Okay, see, for this particular zone there is an event has come, that is where we have seen a fall has come. Okay, or if you look at this particular pattern also, there is a pattern forming. Okay, if you would have captured, I have told you those who are in the Telegram group, I have told you that this can break and a probability of falling further low will be there because it has already made this particular high and chances was high that it will fall further down. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart also, what this chart is moving, that it is after it is breaking a zone, that means you look at this zone, it breaks a zone and a fall we have seen, it breaks a zone, we have seen a rise. That is where how a 15-minute chart is moving in natural gas. See, a zone breakout happen, a fall we have seen. Okay, after that it forms swing, then a continuous upside we have seen. Whenever there is a zone breakout, try to trade with that particular zone. Okay, now let's go on the day wise chart where I will tell you how the price can move on Monday. See, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go on Monday, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, and chances are very high it will sustain that level and it can go towards a level of $2.612. Okay, chances are high, yes, because it has already formed a swing at this particular level, and from there it will cross that particular zone and it will cross a level of $2.650. Keep that in mind that from both days we have seen there is a continuous upside and a probability of going further high we can see, and a probability of going towards 2.7 is there. As soon as it moves above that particular zone, it will cross that particular zone and chances are very high it will touch a level of around $2.786. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.820. Okay, so $2.80 is a half this particular zone, and then a probability of touching a level of $2.929 is there, and that is the half this zone. Okay, so once started moving above a level of 2.79, because if you look at this particular level, $2.79 is a half this zone and a pattern will form, so chances are high it will touch a level of around $3.053. Okay, so once it's sustained above 3.503, then yes, a probability of going further upside we can see for natural gas. So first, the next resistance after this we will see coming at a level of $3.319, and if that level sustained, it will go towards a level of around $3.546. Okay, this $3.546 is a half this zone. So once started sustaining above this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $3.706, and that is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that particular zone and chances of touching a level of 3.960 is there. Okay, this 3.90 is already being a weak resistance, so chances will be high it will cross that particular zone and we can see it will touch a level of $4.1. Okay, again I repeat, because this is the half this zone, so as soon as it move upside, we can see it will sustain above that level, and then we can see a level of $3.3 to a level of 3.546, and from there we can see a level of $3.76. Once started sustaining above this level, then you will see a gap will fill in, probably of going further upside we can see. But remember one thing, till the time it is not crossing this zone, we will see the natural gas price move in this zone. Okay, so as soon as now the zone is this zone. Okay, a low of zone is around 2.507. So keep that in mind. As soon as it breaks this particular zone, a further fall we can see, and chances will be high it will move towards a level of $2.429. Okay, so once the price fall below this particular level, it will go towards a level of $2.252. Okay, So once it move below this level, then chances are very high it will go towards a level of $2.183. That is a weak support. So chances are high it will cross that particular zone to a level of $2.075, and that is a weak support of this zone. So chances are very high it will go further down, and a probability of going towards a level of $1.61961, and from there we can see it will touch a level of $1.801. Okay, so once the price sustain below that level, we can see it will fall further low, and a probability of going towards 1.63 is there, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. The mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.